Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Look at this animal, friends. Yes, this is camel. Wow! Look at the next one, guys. Yes, guys, this is giraffe. Look at this neck. Wow! Wow! Look at this grab, guys. It's green, guys. Follow me, guys. Here! Wow! Blue color. Mud. Mud. Come on, guys. Wow. Let's go, guys. Watch these all animals and vehicles. First one, any guess, guys? Come on. This is train track. Wow. Super. Ha 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 ha.
साहब गाइस अपना शिनचैन सही कह रहा है तो अपने अंदर से आग निकाल
Come on, guys. Let's watch the second vehicle. Any guess, guys? Come on. Wow, this is very small bus. Ooh, wow. Wow, this is home bird. Back. Yes, guys, this is back, duck. Ooh, yahoo! The next one also home bird. Any guess, guys? Yes, guys, this is cockroach rooster. Wow. The next one. Very big in size, but in real, this is very small in size. White color animal. Yes. Children favorite animal. Yes, this is rabbit. Wow, it's so cute. Wow, let's swim, let's dance, let's play. Wow. The next one is kuda. Horse, race horse. Wow. A black mare named Burmese was gifted to Queen Elizabeth II in 1969 by the Royal Canadian Mounted Police. Look at the next one. Yes, guys, this is another horse. Wow, how fantastic. It's also black color, guys. Come on, guys, let's clean this horse. Sweet horse, race horse. Wow. Now, Any guess, guys? Yes, guys, you are so brilliant. You are right. This is swan aeroplane. Wow. The next one is also another aeroplane, guys. It's white color. Wow. Come on, guys. This is Thor hammer. Let's clean this hammer, guys. Come on. The next one is also another rooster. Wow. This is also another duck. Back, duck, super. Thank you, guys. Subscribe this channel.